All right, we're going to show you guys how to fix a P0842 error on a 2011 Honda Pilot. This is the transmission pressure sensor A, and it's on the top of the engine, or the top of the transmission rather. And you're going to have to detach your air box. You're going to detach your intake, detach it from the air box, move the air box, and then right down here, you've got the sensor. It goes right there. And this little harness thing right here has a 10mm bolt on one side. We found it easier to undo that 10mm bolt. That's not easy either, but you have barely any room to get down in there and put the sensor in. This is the old sensor, and they have updated the part to hopefully not go bad again. This is the new sensor. Make sure you get a crush washer with it. And then this is your part number. This is for both of them, the A or the B. The B is down at the bottom down there. It's a little bit easier to get through. This one is not. So 28600-R36-004. And what we used, I got a 7/8 or 22mm standard size socket, 1/2 inch, and I'm using a 1/2 inch adapter, and it just barely fits in there. So a long socket might do it, but you might be too long because you have the that wire right there is actually the speedo cable, and it's right behind it. So this is one of those sensors that everything's around and behind it, and it's a real pain in the ass. But that's where it is, and that's how you fix it right there. We recommend you reset your codes and try running for a while and see if it comes back, because most of the time it doesn't cause any drivability issues. So it might have just been a fluke. But if you do have to replace it, that's where it is.